The following instructions for electrical works must be carried out by a certified electrician. To ensure safety, it's essential to position the heater in a way that maintains a safe distance between flammable materials and the external surfaces of the heater. You can refer to the heater's manual for the required safety distances. When mounting the heater, ensuring a secure attachment to the wall is essential, considering the total weight of 65 kilograms. To start the installation process, remove the protective film from the steel plate behind the heater. Uninstall the wall mount and the heat reflector from the drop sauna heater. Place the wall mount on the wall, ensuring its safe distance from the nearest flammable material stated in the manual. Install the wall mount on the wall using the recommended 6x40 screws. Remove the protective lid. Put the cable through the opening in the heat reflector. Remove the rubber grommet from the heater. Create an opening into the rubber grommet and thread the cable through it. Insert the cable through the designated opening in the heater. Cover the opening with the rubber grommet. Connect the wires to the terminal strip. Start with the green and yellow ground wire. Next, blue goes to N, grey to L3, black to L2, and the brown one to L1. Reinstall the protective lid and heat reflector. Push the rest of the cable into the opening it comes from. Place the heater on the wall mount. Secure the heater by anchoring it with a screw at the top right corner behind the heater. The cable into the control unit through the bottom opening. Connect the wires to the connectors, the green and yellow wire to the ground connector in the bottom left corner. Blue to N, grey to W, black to V, brown to U.